When you want to know the things that men love in women, it's best to find out from the guys themselves. Let's start. Things men love in women. Number 1. Her kindness. This is a big deal. Kindness and generosity are thought to be the keys to long-lasting relationships. Kindness is the glue that keeps people together. It demonstrates emotional stability when you act and react with kindness. Number 2. Her playfulness. For males, joking, flirting and not taking everything so seriously is really attractive. When you are playful and easygoing, it shows a youthfulness that is very magnetic. It may be so nice to show a lighter side now and then because life gives us plenty of reasons to be serious. The most heavy of situations can be lightened with some humor. So when we see this trait in someone, it is so charismatic. Number 3. Her smile. Men adore it when a girl smiles because of something he said or laughs at his jokes. Generally, women who smile all the time are more attractive to men. Number 4. Making him feel needed and wanted. Men want to protect and provide for their partners. This is quite significant to a lot of males. They want to take care of those that they love. Asking a guy for his advice is a solid method to make him feel needed and wanted. Another way is to ask for his help. Give up the reins a bit and let him help you. When you argue with him, try to keep on topic and respect his point of view even if you don't agree. Number 5. Her confidence. A lady with a great self-confidence draws a man more than anything else. A self-assured lady is self-sufficient and capable of dealing with any situation in her life. Even in the long run, the man may trust and rely on his partner. Thanks for watching.